Hello everyone, my name is Anh. Today I will talk about the four sounds we learned before. The first is the sound A. Pen, pen, everything, everything. Expensive, expensive. Remember, remember. Weather, weather. Question, question. Exercise, exercise. Bed, bed. Set, set. Man, man. Head, head. Check, check. For example, can I borrow a pen? Yeah. Next, the sound R. Man, man. Ben, ben. Love, love. Map, map. Head, head. Relax, relax. Black, black. Apple, apple. Person, person. Bright tip, bright tip. Cat, cat. Hand, hand. For example, look at the man. Next, the sound O. Together, together. Introduce, introduce. America, America. Open, open. Around, around. Suppose, suppose. Ago, ago. Farmers, farmers. Alone, alone. About, about. Today, today. Tomorrow, tomorrow. For example, this car is better than the other car. And finally the sound bird, girl, early, hurt, rusty, work, what, word, hurt, learn, first, 30, and for example, December is my birthday. Yeah. This is my talk about the four sound. Thank you for listening and watching. Goodbye.